What's up, folks? Chef Nate here with another episode of Quick Kitchen Tips. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to segment an orange. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do, put your orange on the side and slice off the top and the bottom. Go ahead and start working your knife around, just removing the skin. After you've removed the skin, you'll have an orange that looks like this. If you like, you can even just take the orange and cut it into slices, but I'm going to show you how to fully segment it. So you can see right here, we have our orange fully peeled, and we're going to go ahead and take the knife and slide it right along the white pith, and then along the other side, and then take your knife and pop that bad boy right out. So you're going to go ahead and keep repeating that process until you have the orange fully segmented. Now you can see all your beautiful orange segments for a fruit salad or for what have you. And there you have it, folks. That's how you segment an orange. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, send it to your grandma. She might want to know too. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.